So, as I promised, I made a desk refurb video. You know what else I made? Mistakes. Alright, so for the bulk of the job for the desk here, I'm going to be using this monstrosity that was probably produced in 1955, maybe 60. It is a cast aluminum body, it looks like, with steel internals. It is a Craftsman horse and a half 4-inch 2-speed belt sander. Now, you don't have to have a monster like this. This thing weighs probably 15 pounds. It's huge. You don't have to have a monster like that. So you can go to Walmart and you can buy a Power Torque, I think it is. I'm not 100% sure of the brand. It's red and black. It's their house brand. You can buy a belt sander for $28 plus tax. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on a sander. This is going to take care of 90% of this job. And I've got a palm sander around here somewhere, and they don't cost a little bit of nothing either. $15, $20. So for $40 plus sanding paper, maybe 50, you've got all the tools you need to strip something like this down to bare wood. Great. It's raining again. Awesome. But then beyond that, you're in it for your stain and your finish, and that's about it. Sorry about the rain. I'm sure the microphone's picking that up. Thought it was going to be done. Apparently not. So, let's get started. Well, this guy took me about 3 times as long as I thought it should, but not because the project was hard. So I messed up in only the way that I can, and I thought, well, you know, I've got 2 sanding belts for sure. One of them is used, but it'll probably be okay. I ruined my belt. What could I use? No. Well, I don't have any more. And because of that, well, I couldn't finish sanding. And I know I said I had a palm sander at the beginning of this video to finish the detail stuff. Here's the thing. I found my palm sander, but I don't have any pads for it. Takes a completely different kind of sandpaper and a different kind of joining mechanism, so it's hook and loop. Anyway, but yeah, so I messed up. But that's the reason why we didn't go with a different color. Thankfully, I had just enough golden oak stain, and that's the color that it was. And I had this this clear gloss. It's clear gloss, guys. This clear gloss polyurethane. Now, polyurethane is something that I swear by for wood products. Some people use like linseed oil or a varnish. I'm not that good. I will be one day. But polyurethane is a great protectant. It's a great gloss. And now this desktop, when it dries, it won't be shiny. And I'm going to tell you why. It's because I didn't want it to be, which is why you saw me do the rubbed finish. I rubbed it into the wood, made sure it took, and then wiped it down. So, this desk will not shine unless I come back and I put another coat on top of it, in which case I'll need a brush to apply that coat to make sure everything goes on evenly and I don't get high spots in the polish. But this, I just want the wood to be protected, and a rubbed in coat of Minwax polyurethane will do that. Now, I know I keep saying Minwax like they're a sponsor. They're not. It's just what I have found to be the best brand over the years. It's a little bit more expensive than your house brand stuff, but I find that it's formulated a little better. Now, listen closely. I don't care if it says clear on the can or not. If you're doing a shiny coat, it will turn yellow every single time. Sorry. But that is just about this guy done. So I will go ahead and wrap this up. I hope this was kind of informative. I lost a whole lot of footage thanks to this phone that I'm recording on, but hopefully I make it back and make it a little bit interesting for you. In the meantime, guys, keep doing the things you love, keep playing the games you love, and we will see you next time.